welcome to this part 2 of a 5-part of automated functional testing cases. Now we're gonna discuss about data-driven tests for iterative test cases. Now on this part 2 series, I would like to do is parameterize the data provided to the test. So having the capability of having different amount of permutations on a given test. So how do we do that? Now I'm going to create data, probably go tools, data driver. So this all values that can be parameterized, as you can see. So we can choose one. Probably I'll choose business and parameterize. Go to parameterize all. Click this button. Probably I'll choose this option. I'll base it to the application itself. Let me just go back, press exit, just do a reset of the application. Click enter. Right, so we have like economy, business, and first. So what I'm gonna do is open that, type class data, probably just make it look neater. Okay, now press finish and probably choose this spot as well. Right, probably choose to from country. Press OK. Press finish. Then probably go here. Like this is how easy it is to actually create permutations or parameterize the data in a given test. Looking at the power how without programming involved. Now parameterizing 3 fields of the application. Now press finish, press OK. Right. So if I go to data, as you can see, these are the 3 fields I've created. So we got class data from country to country. So on the class data, we have like economy, business, and first. So I'm gonna choose probably economy here. Business on the third iteration. And let's try first class, of course. Let's do 2 first class. Alright. Now on the country, if you're gonna have a look, you have like London. Let's type London. Let's type let's do Portland. Having like favoritisms of these countries now. We have Seattle, and let's try Sydney. I like Australia. So from London to fine. Nice. So let's do Denver. London to Denver. Very well of travel there. Then Portland to, let's say, London. Okay. Right. And then it'll be Seattle to Frankfurt. Let's do that. Okay. And last, well, that's Sydney to Denver. Let's do that. Okay. Right. So this is quite straightforward. So I'm gonna save it now. Save it. Now I'm gonna run the test. Oops. Before running the test, I would like to make sure that it's actually seamless. What it means, it continuously run, even though if there's an error that occurs. So from here, when error occurs during one session, we just pop up the message box, proceed to the next action iteration. This is the one I like. Right, so press apply, press OK, run the test. Okay, successfully logs in. This is the first iteration. Okay, now the second iteration. London to Denver, economy class. Okay. Now going to the third iteration. Imagine a thousand of permutations actually running, and its power is actually doing it automatically. Look at the amount of time savings that you can actually do with a data-driven amount of test. Now Sydney to Denver, almost there. Okay, brilliant. There you go. So now we have 75 steps has passed, 0 warnings and 0 failed. So as of part 1, so we could actually choose what type of environment we would like to test in. So we have the flexibility on what operating system the test is going to sit in. Okay, right. So this is test iteration 1, which was right. So we entered a login, the city. So we have the city, Paris, and we have Portland described. Okay, and now this is iteration 2. We go to the city. This is London. That's we chosen, and this is Denver. Yep, as expected. We have screenshots as well being seen. Every detail of the step is actually um, pictured and screenshot. Okay, right. So from city, this is Portland and London. So basically, all of these iterations up to like 5 they actually created is tested accordingly, pulling the data from our data table as actually inserted here. So we can create as much iteration as much as we want to do, and then more parameters you would like to verify. It may be password verification. It may be like um, search verification, and the amount of search that we're gonna do. And that is the power of automated functional testing of UFT. Well, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you watch the third part of the 5-part series of automated functional testing. Thank you so much for watching my video.